a Christmas carol break, and here's another one. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Take the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, just in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Throughout the years, we'll all be together if the fates allow. Hang a shining star in the highest bough, and have yourself a merry